What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. Let's light this candle. I just went ahead and ordered this. It's a 4-pack of matches, and each of these matchboxes has 40 matches in it. And you might be saying those look a little long, and that's because these are long matches. And I thought I would just show you what you get here. You get the striker on this side. These are great for lighting grills, fires in your fire pit, your fireplace. It's getting that time of year. You can see we get 40 long matches in this mug right up in here. Oh, look at this one. I got like a little runt. This one's a little small, a little short. It's all like balsa wood, but they're actually pretty thick, 4 millimeters square. So I just thought, should we check them out and see if they work? Oh, one strike, booyah! Stays lit pretty easily, and that'll allow you to go in. Oh, the bottom, it's not just runt, it's just got broken. You can see how long these suckers are. So you can get in there without having to worry about getting your hands burned. Get that right in there just like that. Like I said, don't worry about flaming your hair up. Boom, but you can light up what you need to. Hey, if you want to pick up 120 matches that are long, I'll put a link to them in the description. Peter Von Panda.